Good day, everyone! Today, we will be exploring the world of transportation sector. So now, let's define transportation first. Transportation came from the Latin word trans, which means across, and porte, which means to carry. It is any device or action used to move an item from one location to another. And transportation has three forms, namely land transportation, water transportation, and air transportation. And now we will go over to each form. Let's start with the first form, and I will be showing you the different land transportation. This is a car, which is a four-wheeled vehicle powered by gasoline, electricity, or both forms that are used on roads. And this is a coaster, which can approximately seat 24 to 28 passengers. It is also four-wheeled vehicle running on gasoline and may be used charging rates for long-distance travel. And PATO stands for Philippine Association of Transport Operators Incorporation, which is a professional supplier of tourist transportation. The organization accommodates from small-scale transportation requirement to large numbers. And the next is the bus, which is similar to coaster, which is used for both transportation large tourist groups. It can seat 42 to 44 passengers without utilizing the jump seat. And this is a tricycle, which is a local form of transportation that normally has routing which circulated within a specific area. Another one is the pedicab, which is a non-motorized version of the tricycle. It is called pedicab because the driver pedals instead of driving a motorcycle. And another land transportation used is the motorcycle, which is a two- or three-wheeled motor vehicle that is greatly suited for long-distance travel, commuting, cruising, sport including racing, and off-road riding. Those are just some of the land transportation that we commonly encounter when we travel. Some other countries have their different varieties of land transportation.